We are in the laundry area. This is the closet from the laundry. Here there was a lot of detergents, okay? How we organize? We try to look for the same item. So this orange box is the same as this. The only difference, because this is closed, brand new, and this is open. It's almost new because she have a lot of trash bags, okay? And she needed. So we put the closed one on the back and another one in front. Okay, the same here. She has trash bags. The only difference between the color and the size. This is 13 gallons. Okay, that's good. And this is open, so I leave it on top. This is the way we organize. So it will be, this is open, so this is brand new trash bag. Put it here. This is open, just put it there. Later we can rearrange. Okay, you have another closet with a lot of trash bags. So then I put in this shelf all the detergent. Here there was a toolbox, okay, for like a toolbox. I'm gonna show you. So I bring days ago these two cabinets. This is the toolbox, and I put some tools inside the drawer. Here, all the tools, everything that was in the closet. So we are rearrange all the tools in this filing cabinet, okay? And it's gonna be in the garage, so we will have more space. I'm gonna start seeing if this is good. So we put it here. So far, so good, right? El oven. it's late. We already finished
Yeah.
the things that we have accomplished today.
Okay.
We're gonna come back tomorrow.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
So far so good?
Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Excellent. I explained everything to your sister.
Good. Okay.
Okay? If
Yeah.
you need something, just let her know.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
All right.
Thank you. Close here, okay?